Today we are unboxing and reviewing a luxury fragrance straight from the heart of Arabia. This is Ehsas Perfume by Arabian Oud. Is it worth the hype? Ehsas by Arabian Oud is a fragrance for men. Get ready to experience Ehsas Al Arabia by Arabian Oud. We'll unpack the perfume, get to know its fragrance profile and learn about its keynotes. Let's start unboxing. Let's spray it and figure out notes. Top notes are lime and wild rose. Middle note is amber. Base note is cedar. It's rich, warm, and well blended. Notes create a captivating aroma that stays with you long after you've worn it. Let's talk about projection of perfume. Projection is loud and impressive, especially during the first 2 to 3 hours, where it performs like a beast. After that, it gradually settles into a moderate skin scent, perfect for making a statement without overwhelming the room. And overall, with its strong opening projection and subsequent refinement, it offers a remarkable performance that commands attention without being overpowering. Projection 9 out of 10. Let's talk about longevity of this perfume. This perfume lasts a solid for 2 to 6 hours, depending on skin type and weather. When applied to clothes, the fragrance can persist even longer, staying detectable for 6 to 8 hours and even leaving a subtle trace into the next day. Then it fades to a moderate skin scent. However, it's worth noting that this can vary based on individual skin chemistry, weather conditions, and personal preferences. Longevity 8 out of 10. It leaves a noticeable scent trails for about the first hour. I expected a bit more from an Arabian fragrance. 7 out of 10. Opening of perfume. The opening is mature and elegant with a rich, luxurious vibe. I would have liked a touch more citrus brightness to make it suitable for summer days. Still, the rose amber blend is well balanced for cooler evenings. Opening 7 out of 10. Bottle presentation. The bottle is heavy, elegant, and premium, true to Arabian standards. Bottle presentation 7 out of 10. Box packaging. Box presentation is not impressive. Box quality is subpar, feels flimsy and not very durable, and it could be easily damaged during travel, though I personally managed to bring it safely on an international trip. The simple cardboard box might not offer the same level of luxury and protection, but it doesn't detract from the premium nature of the fragrance itself. Box packaging 5 out 10. Overall scent profile. It's a beautiful balance of tradition and elegance, making it a timeless addition to any fragrance collection. Overall, I rate this perfume 8 out of 10. In terms of occasions, Ehsas Al Arabia is a versatile fragrance that can elevate various events and occasions. For formal events like weddings, galas, or special dinners, its elegant and sophisticated aroma makes it a perfect choice. If you wear this to a wedding or formal dinner, expect compliments. Considering the weather aspect, Ehsas Al Arabia is best suited for cooler weather. During the colder months like fall and winter, its rich, warm, and spicy notes shine. The fragrance adds a layer of depth and sophistication to the crisp autumn air or cozy winter evenings. The fragrance's woody and ambery notes create a captivating aura amidst the summer heat. This characteristic makes it a reliable choice for both daytime and evening wear. Additionally, Ehsas Al Arabia can be a fantastic choice for those air-conditioned summer nights when the temperature drops and the air becomes cooler. Ehsas Al Arabia is undoubtedly a premium fragrance, and its price reflects its high-quality ingredients and craftsmanship. While it may be an investment, the fragrance's exceptional performance, unique composition, and brand reputation make it a worthwhile addition to any serious fragrance collection. With its impressive projection, solid longevity, and a scent profile that balances tradition and modernity, this fragrance stands out as a true gem in the world of Arabian perfumery. It's not just a scent, it's a statement. As we've explored the various aspects of this fragrance, it's evident that Ehsas Al Arabia is a captivating and multifaceted scent. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more captivating content. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay fragrant and keep exploring the world of exquisite scents. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery through the world of fine fragrance.